Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then, in order to disable location, select Close in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location is now off. But you can always switch it on by clicking on the same shortcut one more time. You can also go into Devices settings, scroll down and tap on Location section. Then tap on the switcher next to Location feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!